Namaste all, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about generating Pythagoras triplets with a fast Vedic approach. So all of you heard and familiar about Pythagoras theorem, which was mentioned in Sulabha Sutra long before 200 years before the Pythagoras by the famous Indian mathematician and the craftsman called Baudhayana. So, this Pythagoras theorem usually gives the relationship between all three sides of right angle triangle, which states that the square of hypotenuse is always equal to the sum of square of base and square of perpendicular. In our conventional method, if two sides are given, it is very easy to calculate the third side using Pythagoras theorem. In this video, we are going to learn if only one side is given, how to calculate quickly by using the Vedic approach within seconds without any calculator. Let's start. So, in the case 1, if the known side is even, if the given number is 8, which is one side of right angle triangle, the first step is you have to square that number. Then you will get 8 square is 64. Then divide this by 4. Then you will get 16, which is considered as n. And side 2 will be calculated by doing n minus 1, that is 15. And the hypotenuse, other side of right angle triangle, will be calculated by n plus 1, that is 16 plus 1, 17. Now we got the Pythagoras triplet 8, 15, and 17. And triplet is always written in the ascending order of the numbers. Always the last number will represent the hypotenuse. Let's have one more example. Find the missing sides if the given side is 10. So here given side is 10, which is even. So what is the first step? We have to do side square, 10 square, and we have to divide this by 4, right? So 10 square is 100 divided by 4 gives me 25. Next, to get the first side, we have to do n minus 1. That is 25 minus 1 is, so side 2 is 24. And the hypotenuse, side 3 is n plus 1. 25 plus 1 is 26. So our triplet is the given side 10, 24, and 26. Right? Let us move to the second case. In the case 2, if we got an odd number, let us take x as 7. So first step, you have to square that number, then divide this by 2. See, square of 7 is 49. If you divide this by 2, you will get the decimal answer 24.5. So you have to consider only the whole number as my n, that is side 2. We'll consider it as a 24. We are taking only the whole number, and hypotenuse will be n plus 1, that is 24 plus 1 is 25. So my triplet is 7, 24, and 25. Let's take one example. Find the missing side if the given side is 11. So for odd number, what is the formula? We have to do the square of the given side and divide it by 2. For even number, we divided it by 4. For the odd number, we are dividing it by 2. So 11 square is 121 and divided by 2, we'll get 60.5, right? So I'll take n is 60, that is my side 1 is 60, and side 2 is always n plus 1, that is 61. So my triplet is, the given side is 11, 60, and 61, right? Okay. So if the third case, we are given the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle, how to find out other two sides? So you know that n plus 1 is your hypotenuse always. So given is hypotenuse, so n plus 1 is 13. So the n value is 12. Okay, so you consider that as base. Then find the perpendicular. We use the formula square root of 2n plus 1. Okay. So our n is 12. So 12 times 2 is 24 plus 1 is 25. So square root of 25 is nothing but 5. So my triplet is 5, 12 and 13. Let's take one more example. Here, if the given hypotenuse is 15, h is 15. So hypotenuse is nothing but n plus 1. So n value is 14. To find out other side, we have the formula 2n square root of 2n plus 1. So 14 times 2 is 28 plus 1 is 29. So square root of 29 is other side. So what are my triplets? Square root of 29. Given side is 15. Yeah, that is hypotenuse. So we'll write that at the end. So 29, 14 and 15. This is the magic of Vedic approach. If you know only one side, within the seconds you can find out two other sides. I hope you are enjoying my content. If you like, please consider subscribing for more such calculation tricks. Thank you for watching.